How to fix a slow PlayStation 4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix a relatively slow PlayStation. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to fix a slow PlayStation 4, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and first of all simply check if your storage is full. So sometimes if your storage is full, you could be facing this kind of options. What you have to do is go to settings, and on settings you could go to storage option. As you go to storage, go to system storage, and then you could go to application and delete any of the unnecessary games which you don't play anymore, just like YouTube or Rocket League or FIFA or eFootball or media player as well. You could go ahead and then simply either delete one of these applications from your list, or what you could also do is you could simply come back and then delete some of the screenshots and capture gallery which you don't really need anymore. So go ahead and then delete it, just empty out your PlayStation and just try to free up as much space as possible. Hopefully that would actually make your PlayStation a bit faster. The next thing, it could also be due to a outdated software. So we're going to go to settings again, and on this page we're going to scroll down, and then here you'll find system software update. Select system software update, and then what you could do is if your PlayStation has an update available, it will basically show up here. You have to tap on the OK button in order to install it, and it will automatically reboot your PlayStation. The other thing you could do is you could come back to initialization tab at the bottom, and over here you could select initialize PS4 button, and you could do a quick wipe instead of doing a full wipe first. And you could come back and then simply also try to do a full wipe, and you can see it says all users and data will be deleted. And this is how you can actually fix a slow PlayStation 4. Hopefully one of these would have actually helped speed up your PlayStation 4. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.